Behind the design, intrinsic rearfoot post. This client needed a low-profile device to assist with footwear fit while still applying a high rearfoot post angle. The aim of this orthotic was to provide orthotic reaction force while still allowing the patient to wear their preferred shoe style. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected the intrinsic rearfoot post option in the posting section of the DOLA prescription form. Our CAD/CAM design and manufacturing allows for a low profile and stable rearfoot post on polypropylene, EVA, and 3D printed devices. Intrinsic rearfoot posts create a stable flat plantar surface without adding bulk to the device. The anterior orthotic edge remains stable and balanced even at high rearfoot post angles, removing the annoying rocking problem. Orthotip. A rearfoot post provides stability to an orthotic shell and allows for angulation in a varus or valgus direction. Traditionally, an EVA post was applied after the shell was pressed onto a positive cast, as the heel shape would be round and unstable. Choose an intrinsic rearfoot post when wanting a stable rearfoot post in footwear with space limitations or when wanting a low bulk option. Intrinsic rearfoot posts are by far our customers' most favourite rearfoot post type due to the ease of footwear fit and now the ability to provide high angles while maintaining a stable device. Rearfoot post angles can be adjusted by adding rearfoot wedges or reduced with a grinder.